What's up, guys? I'm back. It's been a while again, probably about 4 months or so. Haven't had any time to make videos. Just went back to work and all that stuff, and I've just been super busy lately. But today I got a 2009 Chevrolet Traverse, and I actually picked this thing up for 500 bucks. Runs and drives really good, actually. Guy said that the dealership was going to give him 500 bucks for it, so he didn't want to sell it to the dealership, so he just gave it to me instead. He's getting a new car. It's got the 3.6 in it, but it doesn't have timing chain issues or anything like that. It got a brand new factory transmission from GM, which is pretty nice. So it runs and drives good, but it's just really, really disgusting. It's a one-owner car, by the way, but guy said he has never ever cleaned the interior before, and yeah, it's disgusting. Let me just show you here. This thing really, really needs to be gone through, and that's what I'm about to do, and what I'm about to show you guys. Yeah, look at that. Ugh. So what I'm gonna do here, I unbolted the front seat, or I'm gonna unbolt both of them, but I can't really get to the airbag wires. They go all the way up into the seat, so I'm just gonna leave it like this, just enough so I can clean. So I'm just gonna flip the seat up like this, just get all the trash out of here, vacuum as good as I can. Look at that hole that's worn into the carpet like that. Crap. It's got 180,000 miles on it though. But yeah, I think once I get this thing all cleaned up, I gotta put a set of tires on it, and I still gotta check it out underneath. I think it's all good, but it definitely needs a set of tires. I could probably flip it for a good amount of money. So it's not all-wheel drive though. But yeah, I think I got a good deal with this car. Just gonna show you guys all the cleaning and stuff I'm gonna do with this. I'll get it looking nice, and then maybe this video I'll show you the cleaning inside, and then maybe I'll do a quick wash on it too. But another day I'm gonna buff it and wax it, and hopefully we'll get this thing shining like brand new again. But yeah, let's get to cleaning the interior. Taking a bunch of the interior part. I'm not going to take the seats out, because the rear seats at least, because the freaking bolts are ungodly tight and I don't have an air impact here, so I'm gonna have to work around that. So basically I'm just taking all of these plastics out from like the seats, and I'm just gonna pressure wash the crap out of them. Same with the carpets here. I'm just gonna vacuum them up and I'm just gonna pressure wash them. I started doing the back here. This is looking a little better. This is like some of that really cheap, crappy carpet that GM uses, because you know GM's is really known for using high quality materials in their cars. Everything just sticks to it because it's cheap. So you can see there's like some shit that won't come out, but yeah, you can see I'm gonna have to work at that harder, but it looks a little better back here. I gotta clean all of the plastic panels and everything because there's just crap running down all of them. She's going to clean all of the door panels for me while I'm pressure washing. So she's gonna wipe all this down. She's gonna shampoo and scrub at the fabric on it. See how good she can get that looking. But yeah, let's see how that ends up looking. So Jenna's doing the doors right now, and she's doing a really good job. Look at how nice that looks now. Wow. This is the passenger door. So much better, but compared to, it pretty much looked like that almost. Not the standing's bad, but it was pretty dirty. Yeah, I got all the plastics and everything for the second row seat cleaned up. Pressure washer. I can't believe how much nicer those floor mats came up, but that muddy river when I was washing them was pretty crazy if you saw that. It was like that for a good 5 minutes each floor mat. I spent like probably 20 minutes doing those floor mats, and it was just taking forever to get the dirt out of them, but they look like they cleaned it up pretty nice. Obviously the driver's side floor mat was a lost cause, so I might just end up looking for a new set of floor mats for it, because that'll make the car look a lot better rather than having 2 huge holes in that mat. But yeah, I'm gonna start vacuuming the floor now, and let's see how good I can get that to come up. Guys, so I am calling it quits today. I'm probably about almost halfway done. Spent a lot of time on this thing. It's looking a lot better, but I still need to finish vacuuming, and then I'm gonna have to scrub the carpets. You know, I'm not done. I didn't do that side over there. But yeah, I still got lots and lots of cleaning left to do. Hold on, get this back. Okay, yeah, it's a lot better. You know, you can see I gotta do the seats and everything, but it's a lot better. So I made quite a bit of progress, and Jenna did a really good job on the doors. This one was really bad. Looks a lot better now. We still gotta get this, looks like gum almost, but yeah, all the staining and stuff she got out, and it's still wet from scrubbing, but looks a lot better. So yeah, progress was made. Probably hit it again next weekend, probably Saturday after work. I'll do some more to it, but for right now, I am pooped, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.